Okay, well, this is absurdly simple. Composition, new composition, doing a 720 by 480 widescreen. It's black, 30 seconds, full resolution, it's all good. Right click, new, solid, make it black. Okay, okay. Anyway, we're gonna create a new solid. Actually, this one, go ahead and effect, noise and grain, fractal noise, basic linear soft, contrast way up, brightness way down. Complexity is good, subsetting is good. What we want to do is go into transform, change the scale. Yeah, bring the brightness more down. And aha, it's a night sky. Dun, 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 dun. Anyhow, so we got that. We got the sky. We're gonna do a new one, right? Right click, new solid. It's black. And that's what we want. Effect. Trapcode Particular in my case. And I'll just go ahead and do what I want to do. Smoke, darker, magic, blah 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 blah. Fire starter. Now I need to scale back to find out where actually the start point is. You can see it kind of moves around on its own, which is really horrible. But we'll soon solve that, won't we? Right click, new light. This is where everyone makes a mistake. An emitter, E is capitalized. The first E is capitalized. It's uppercase. Click OK. Now we'll scale back in. So now that we have an emitter, capital E emitter, you can see it here. As it moves around, nothing happens. It'll show up in your composition if you don't turn it off at some point. But we'll scale back for the purposes of really seeing this thing. I'm going to drag it off the screen. And go to the first frame. Now, with particular, it's on the black solid 2 here, we're going to go to emitter and go from sphere to lights. Now it's connected to our light. And if we pull it forward, you'll see it's connected to our light. So if we drag our light off, make sure our light is highlighted. I'm going to drag the thing off the screen here. So when it starts, you see what happens. You can see it right away, so you want to make sure you can't see it. Have it far enough off when it starts. Alrighty then. Let's go ahead. Now they're connected, so we're going to take our light, transform, position, keyframe the position, off. And if you go forward, wherever, 2-4 seconds, wherever we're going with that, drag it across the screen. And what do you have? It follows the light. And around preview, pressing 0. And the effect's better if you do it quicker, or, you go in and adjust some of the settings. I can bring the particles down a little bit. You can change the velocity. So it's more, you can bring the velocity down maybe 15. So it stays more in line. If you want the tail to remain longer or such, you can go to the particle and you can bring the particle down, up, whatever. Size random. randomness. You can change it to like 1.5 or something to extend the life. Press 0 again. And so, you know, as you can see, it's just, you can see it's actually just following the light. So once it's off the screen, if you wanted to bring it back, go forward. And move forward to wherever. 6 seconds. So it goes across the screen. Goes to where a keyframe was. It's off the screen. And there it goes back. So when you create an emitter and use Trapcode Particular, you just capitalize the E. And it works pretty well. Thanks for watching.